Should floors be darker or lighter than walls? Dear friends, whether floors should be darker or lighter than walls depends on personal preference and the overall design aesthetic of the room. Both lighter and darker floors can be used effectively to create different design effects and can complement a range of wall colors and styles. Here are some things to consider when deciding on the color of your floors with your walls. 1. Light floors. Light-colored floors can create a bright and airy feel in a room, making them a good choice for smaller spaces or rooms with limited natural light. Light floors can also make the room feel more open and spacious. However, they may show dirt and wear more easily than darker floors. 2. Dark floors. Dark-colored floors can create a cozy and inviting feel in a room. They can also be a good choice for larger rooms, as they can help anchor the space and create a sense of depth. However, they may make the room feel smaller and can show dust and debris more easily. 3. Matching or contrasting. You can choose to match the color of your floors with your walls to create a cohesive and unified look, or you can choose to contrast the colors to create visual interest and depth. Ultimately, deciding whether to choose darker or lighter floors than the walls will depend on your personal preferences and the style of the room you are designing. Consider the overall design aesthetic you are trying to achieve and choose the flooring color that best complements the other design elements in the room. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.